Hey, greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. Today we have a Hoover ONEPWR hand vacuum, and I'm excited to unbox this for you and give it a test. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I do more in an unboxing than most people do in a review. Let's go ahead and open this box. Of course, eco-friendly packaging from Hoover. We have a nice wall mount with some screws. We have the vacuum itself, which comes fully assembled. Manual. And they give you a ONEPWR charger right here. We have a ONEPWR battery. We have a multi-use tool. And let's see how many. Give you a 2 amp hour battery, which of course you want to fully charge before you use it. And there's a big sticker there showing that. What you get in the box is the vacuum itself, a 2-in-1 tool, a charger, a wall mount, and a 2 milliamp hour battery, and a separate instruction manual for the vacuum and for the battery, and of course those screws with the mollies, so you can put the wall mount in drywalls. The charger is 110 volts. It is not dual voltage, so it's only going to work in North America. The charger does have an LED this time. Some of them do not. You're going to just slip this in, and as it's charging, it's going to show you right there. And it will show you when it's fully charged. Let's go ahead and let that charge. All right, a couple of things is the wall mount has a place for your accessory. Accessories are non-standard. They've come up with a whole new shape, unfortunately, and there seems to be no adapter to make it standard 1.25 inch. Now to get to the trash bin, it's very simple. It's clearly marked. In here, we do find a nice pleasant surprise. Not only is there a shroud, but inside the shroud there appears to be some sort of HEPA or HEPA-like filter. So that fine filter is definitely welcome. Most devices like this only have a piece of foam, so that's upgraded filtration, better than say something like a Dyson V6, and that's all done before the motor, which again, very, very good. That just snaps all back together. Now I've put a 4 milliamp battery in there, since that is what I have laying around, so it does work with both the 2 milliamp hour and the 4 milliamp hour battery. And the batteries just slide in, and as far as its balance goes, it's really, really balanced and feels good in the hand with this rubber grip. The 2-in-1 tool slides in like so, and you have a brush there. Nothing spectacular, but definitely better than no hand tools at all. Something curious, there's a separate clear section here, almost as if wires were supposed to go in here. I wonder if they will make an electrified version later in this product's lifespan. I also want to note that the tool holder with the tool in it will fit the 4 milliamp hour battery, which is bigger. Good news if you want to wall mount this. All right, unfortunately this is not a standard 1.25 inch fitting or even a standard circular fitting at all. So we've had to get creative with a little bit of duct tape, but we should be able to get an accurate working vacuum measurement with this. All right, we're getting about 18 inches of working vacuum and about 25 sealed. So a little less than something like a Dyson V11 on its highest setting, about on par with something like a Dyson V6, Dyson V8. So power's not bad, and we see the close relationship between the working and the sealed number, so we know the airflow is probably decent as well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a sound test. We've switched to the studio microphone. You're gonna hear the real sound of the machine. I'm gonna hold it just kind of at arm's length so that you get an idea of what this thing sounds like to use. So as you can see, it's not too loud, but it's definitely not quiet. So don't try to use this if somebody's sleeping in the room next to you. I went ahead and threw the Hoover through its paces, kind of dusting and working around my house real quick, just to see how it was to use. I really feel like it could use some more accessories, but here's some footage of that. I really believe the lack of tools with this is kind of what hinders this product. I hope in the future Hoover comes out with some more accessories. It's just really hard to use without a proper dusting brush, or at least an adapter in the box. But it does seem to remove dust from like laptops and surface areas, so you can use it, but again, it's not as great as using a canister vacuum. I did manage to clean up a little bit of potting soil that I spilled, and it did that like a champ, so I'm satisfied with that. Now this is a monocyclone design, but not too much got caught in the shroud, as you can see here. So how did it do? Well, I can't really do a standardized pickup test for this. That's why I'm just showing you the montage of me cleaning various things, but it did just alright. So I think if you're trying to pick up big debris or dust, this will get the job done. But again, it's no canister vacuum cleaner. Alright, let's talk about emptying this. Of course, you always want to do this outside. You never want to breathe the dust, which isn't too bad today because it's not snowing, but you know, if it was, you wouldn't like this. And that's the thing. I wish this was bagged. Then you're going to have to take this, scrape around here. That will go in there. And now it's ready to go. You probably want to wipe the inside of this with a wet rag. It does go back together easy. Well, my first thoughts on this little quick Hoover is it's good for quick pickups, but not great. And it's a great addition to Hoover's ONEPWR lineup. So if you definitely have a ONEPWR battery, you might look into this, especially if you have one of their uprights or their stick vacuums that doesn't have onboard tools. I think you'd find this a nice addition. If you're looking for something with a whole bunch of attachments to do some very specific tasks, this is probably not the product for you. I really wish they gave you more than just this, or at least an adapter with that. But again, ONEPWR battery is a nice system, and the increased filtration for something like this is rather nice as well. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out the description box below. There's all sorts of good information in there. If you want to benefit the channel, you can either buy one of these with an affiliate link, or you can check out our Discord server, and of course we have a Patreon. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.